Do you manage large tables and scroll through rows to analyze your data? In this video, you will see how you can organize and nest your data instantly with the column grouping feature of the Advanced Table Viewer macro. The product inventory table data is imported using the Advanced Table Viewer macro CSV data source. Ensure you have page edit permissions. Edit the macro to open setup mode. On the right panel, click the Enable Grouping icon. Once active, hover over any column header, and you will see the grouping icon. I will click the grouping icon on the category column. As you can see, the table instantly collapses into expandable rows for product categories such as networking and hardware. I will further nest the grouping by selecting the supplier, status, and product ID columns. As you can see, you can nest grouping, and the nesting hierarchy follows the order in which columns are selected. To remove a column from grouping, click its grouping icon again in the header. I will remove the grouping from product ID. To clear all column grouping at once, click the grouping icon in the toolbar again to disable grouping. Save the macro and publish the page. You can further group and remove grouping as required in the Confluence page edit and view mode. Note that the changes made in page view and edit mode are session only, and on every page refresh, the grouping configured in macro setup mode is applied. Column grouping helps you turn large tables into manageable, expandable rows without losing access to any data. Thanks for watching.